So, we had our first tour in Azure and we also explored some basic concepts. Now, as we said at the beginning of the course, I want to make it as practical as possible, and I don't want just to review some concepts and do some demos. I really want it to be the most practical Azure course that you can get. And in order to do that, we are going to build together an app and put it in the cloud. And in this section, I want to introduce you to our app. So, say hello to Read-It. Read-It is your bookshop on the cloud. This is a full-blown bookshop which simulates a real-life bookshop. And as every other bookshop, it contains 4 main services. It has a books catalog from which you can pick the book you want to buy. It has a shopping cart, an inventory management system, and of course, an order engine. So we are going to take this app and put it in the cloud in the best way possible. Now, some technical details about the Read-It app. First, it is developed using .NET Core and Node.js. But no worries, you don't have to be familiar with these platforms. I provide you with all the code you need. All we will do is see how to deploy it in the cloud and add the relevant cloud services. You don't have to know how to develop using .NET Core and Node.js. We are going to extensively use VS Code, which is the most popular code editor in the industry right now. And we're going to use various databases. You will see that we will use relational database as well as NoSQL database and even an object store. So what we will do? We'll begin with a basic app and run it locally. We won't even touch the cloud at this stage. We'll just make sure that everything works fine. After that, we are going to move it to the cloud while demonstrating various deployment options, which are the compute options, or the way we actually run the code. Then we will add networking and security and database support. And after that, we will add the messaging between the various services. Then we will also discuss various alternatives for deployments. And of course, and perhaps the most important part is we are always going to keep an eye on the cost. So this is the description of the app. And now let's see it in action.